today's Teaching Kitchen. I am Chef Ashley from Cal State San Bernardino, and today we're going to be making a cauliflower Alfredo and pasta. So today we have a few really easy ingredients, and it's a pretty quick process. We start with cauliflower florets, and we have some diced onion, minced garlic, a little bit of cooked off penne, salt, pepper, and some cannellini beans. This is a really easy recipe. All we have to do is start with the cauliflower. So first what we want to do is we want to steam the cauliflower just till it's tender, not too soft, not mushy. If you're at home doing this recipe, you can also just boil the cauliflower for a few minutes. It'll give you the same effect. So then we're going to start cooking off our veggies. So we want to get our skillet turned on. Not too high, probably about a medium heat. Get a little oil in your skillet. And then we're just going to cook down our onions and some minced garlic. We're going to cook this until they are translucent. You just want them cooked so that when we are blending up our sauce, it blends nicely, all right? So we're going to let this cook for a few minutes. What I like to do right now is just add the salt and pepper as the veggies are cooking. Kind of gives you a nice layer of flavor throughout the whole dish. I'm going to take it a couple minutes, just cook those down. The beauty about this recipe is if you are someone who is avoiding gluten and dairy, you can also make it with a gluten-free pasta. Today we just have a regular penne, but you can also do gluten-free pasta or any of your favorite pasta that you might want to use. So once we've sweated down our veggies, and if you can see here, they're starting to get almost clear, translucent. Give them a couple more minutes. We're not really looking for a brown color at all here. It's more just to sweat them down, get the moisture out so that they get a little soft. All right. Once we get that done, we're going to take our veggies. And at this point, we would put them into a blender along with our steamed or boiled cauliflower and our beans. That's when we're going to take all of those items, put them into a blender, and give them a nice blend. And we have already done that, which you can see right here. We have our cauliflower, our veggies, our beans, and a little bit of water just to create a smooth texture. So then we're going to take our blended sauce, put it in another low flame skillet just to bring it back to temp, because obviously blending it will cool it down some. All right. Heat up your sauce again, and then you're just going to take however much pasta you would like for the amount of sauce that you've cooked, and you're just going to add it in. Again, this pasta was cooked off ahead of time, so that way we can get everything finished up at one time. All right, so now, once everything is heated through, again, check for seasoning, if it has enough salt, pepper, if you want to add your own flavors, if you want to start adding different seasonings that you like, whatever the case may be, get it nice and warm and all together, and then turn your flame off. And you're just going to put it into your serving dish. Super easy, super simple. Anything you could do at home, especially for anyone avoiding dairy. Again, if you're avoiding gluten, you could go with the gluten-free pasta, but that is our cauliflower Alfredo and pasta.